In this video, you'll learn how to configure Claude Code settings effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your experience and ensure Claude understands your preferences. Start by launching Claude Code. To do this, open PowerShell on your computer. Once the PowerShell window appears, type the command Claude and press enter. This command will initiate the Claude environment. If this command does not work, an alternative is to type npx at anthropic.a/Claude Code and hit enter. This alternative command will also help you access the Claude environment. After successfully launching Claude, you should see a welcome message followed by a cursor, which is typically represented by a greater than symbol. At this stage, you will need to configure your settings. Type /config and press enter. This action will open an interactive configuration panel, allowing you to adjust various settings according to your preferences. Within the configuration panel, you can navigate using your arrow keys. Here you can select your preferred AI model, choose a theme that suits your style, and set your auto-update preferences. Take your time to review these options and make any necessary adjustments to tailor Claude to your needs. Additionally, if you wish for Claude to remember specific details relevant to your work, such as your teaching goals or your background as an English major, you can set project rules. To do this, create a file in your project folder and name it, quote, Claude will automatically read this file at the beginning of each session, providing it with context that can enhance your experience. After completing your configuration and setting any project rules, you can begin using Claude Code with your personalized settings. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of your interactions may improve as Claude adapts to the context provided in your Claude